Morning all, it's the day of the World Championship Candidates Tournament starting today. Lots of different sites are following it. I might go to chessgames.com, chessbomb, ICC of course, playchess.com. Loads of sites will be covering it. The official site is going to have really good coverage as well. And also, if you're interested, I've got a very interesting, I'm an admin of a very interesting Sicilian defence spool on Facebook. I hope you check that out. Facebook.com Sicilian Defence, DEFENCE. So I might be posting stuff there and puzzles. I have been posting puzzles to that page the last few days. If you want to come and checking it out, I'm quite fond of it at the moment. So what's happening here? So at 2 o'clock, Colson's playing Aronian today on pairings. That's a pretty tough pairing, first round pairing, but every game will be tough. Can I do a Greek gift with Bishop H7, Knight G5? It looks like a Greek gift kind of situation.
Check.
Without too much calculation, I just hope, the king's getting really exposed. So he hasn't gone for it, he trusts this. Now if I play Knight G5, G6, something like, well, there's all sorts. I can just retreat the bishop though. What would be more interesting, just to retreat the bishop? If G6, there's always maybe F5. That's pretty dangerous. Okay, let's allow him to play G6, or just Rook F3 to H3, or Queen G4. Allowing the bishop to be trapped here. I think possibly Queen G4 for H4. If King G7, Queen H4. Well, actually there's Knight F7 there, isn't there? On King G7, Knight takes F7 for Queen G6. I'm attacking the Queen. Queen G6. King F8, Bishop H6. So this position, Knight F7 is attacking the Queen. So if King takes Queen G6, King E7, isn't that F5 there? That looks pretty dangerous. If he takes with the King, takes, I think Queen G6, King F8, F5 is a good King hunt. Queen H4 on the other hand, there's Rook H8, and that's not so fun maybe. So let's go for this.
Check.
Also there's Bishop A3 as a resource here to factor in. So Queen G6 and then Bishop A3. I could try and get the piece back. If he has to play Knight B4, I'll get a piece back. He is he's winning material there with King takes H7 though. Alternatively, King takes H7. He's not tempted for. Okay, just trying to improve King safety and B material up. Okay, what about just Knight G5 then, protecting again, then Queen H3 maybe after. What do I need? I need to get more stuff in for the attack here. Okay, so what about Bishop A3 as well? Okay. Okay, if I just get these rooks in. Or maybe H4 just for H5 is dangerous. He's always got rook h8. Queen h4 threatening knight e6 for queen e7. There's rook f7 after that. Okay. Okay, so queen h4, rook h8. Oh, there's knight e4 here for knight f6. That might be handy. Just going into that f6 square, that protects the bishop for a moment. And I think it would have been far simpler just to retreated that bishop now. I'm starting to be convinced this was not a risk not worth taking to leave the bishop stuck over there. But anyway, after knight f6, it shouldn't be that bad. The knight can't move because of queen g6 still, and okay, but what am I actually threatening? He's on this rook, so he's tying down this rook. Maybe just h4 here. If rook h8, he's coming in for a sort of counter-attack now. Or f5, that attacks his queen and loses my queen. Queen h4 or rook b1 or queen f3 or h4. I think h4, rook h8, h5, take, hg is not too convincing at the moment. Let's go for it anyway. Maybe taking in an h5, there's rook h6. Oh, as the knight was supporting that h5. That's unfortunate. I think just probably best is rook h8, h5. He takes hg. Aha. Okay. I get tempo on the queen here, so he's not got a free hand for rook h8 just yet. Actually, this rook needs to move still. In fact, isn't bishop g6 for h5 strong? Almost. Let's get this tempo. Maybe rook d7 is useful. If he allows rook d7, he's gonna hold down one of these rooks, I guess. Okay, so actually rook d7 is possible here. I believe. That knight's supporting that. Okay, so I can take here.
Check.
Okay, so I can take this one. Okay. Yeah, I think I could have just retreated the bishop. There was no point leaving the bishop stuck.
Check.
Probably. If I just simply retreat the bishop, it's very simple. Because then queen h5. If g6 there, then I've just got rook f3. This could have been so much simpler. I think just retreating the bishop. Oh well, comments or questions on YouTube. And yeah, check out the Facebook Sicilian defense wall. So I've been posting puzzles there in the last few days. So that might be good for improving tactics. Okay, thanks very much.